Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button below. Thank you guys. In my previous video on GetResponse, I have illustrated how you can connect GetResponse and WordPress. So in this video, I will walk you through on how to set up GetResponse and how to set up automated emails on GetResponse, so that whenever someone sign up from your opt-in page or your sales page, you'll be able to send them automated emails. So if you know you are an affiliate marketer or an email marketer, this is not the kind of video you want to miss. So guys, make sure you stick around to the end of the video, like this video, comment below, and subscribe to this channel. See you there, guys. Alright guys, if you're still watching this video, that means you are interested in setting up your GetResponse and Autoresponder. Now to achieve this, I've come up with 3 steps. And the first one is to own a GetResponse account. In case you don't have an account already, I will recommend you make use of my GetResponse affiliate link at the description of the video below. So copy it, go to your browser, a new tab, paste and hit enter. Now you'll be redirected to GetResponse homepage. Alright, so on GetResponse homepage, you will see a sign up free button right here. So make sure you fill the form and submit. Alright, so I have an account I want to use for this video, so I wouldn't like to create a new account. Now let's move to the next step, which is to add a custom email address on GetResponse. Now to achieve this, you click on my account, manage account, and email addresses. All right, okay. So I receive questions such as, why can't I use my Yahoo Mail account? Why can't I use my Gmail account? The answer is this. Now you can see I have a Yahoo Mail account right here, and the status is can't be used. And the reason is this. You can see, you can read from here. Email addresses registered at public domains such as Yahoo, AOL, or Yandex can't be used as from addresses. This is due to the domain DMARC policy. We recommend switching to a private DKIN authenticated domain. Alright. Okay, now let's look at the Gmail account. You can see I have Gmail here. The status is not recommended, and the reason is this. Public email domains like Gmail, Hotmail, etc. can't be authenticated. Messages sent from those domains might be marked as spam, which will affect your deliverability and sender's reputation. We recommend switching to a private DKIN authenticated domain. Now all this boils down to you having a custom domain or a G Suite. But for this video, we'll be making use of a custom domain. Now to have a custom domain, you need to purchase a hosting plan from any of the hosting companies like WhoGoHost, Namecheap, or GoDaddy. Right here in this video, I'll be making use of WhoGoHost. Alright, so if you're considering making use of WhoGoHost, I have an affiliate link at the description of the video, so consider using it. Now if you are logged into your cPanel, you will see at the email section here, you will see email account. So click on email account. Alright, so you will see something like this. There is a button at the right corner here that says create. Click on the button. Alright, so I will add the name I want to use for the email. Right here I can use Mike, and the password I want to use is this. Alright, so scroll down and click create. Don't update this. Alright, so I have a custom email created right here in my cPanel, so I can copy this, then use it in my GetResponse. So to register that email, you can see here, I say you click on add email. So you fill in the name. I want to use Mike Sunday, then the email. Click on add email address. So you see, please verify your email address. We have sent you a confirmation email to this address. So what you can do now is to go to your, okay, I can click on got it here, then go back to my cPanel, log into my email. I can click on check mail here to log into my email. So you wait for some time. Now click open. Alright, so I've not gotten any email yet. Okay, you can see the GetResponse email is here already. So we can click on the GetResponse email. So confirm, click on confirm. Alright, so if I refresh this, it's unconfirmed right now. If I refresh this, you can see the email now is confirmed. Alright, you have already confirmed this email address by clicking on the link. So I've confirmed this email address, so I can use it to send that email right now. So let's move to the next step. Alright, so the next thing we need to do is to create an autoresponder. To do that, let's go back to the GetResponse page, then select the menu right here, then autoresponder. So as you can see, I don't have any autoresponder yet. Now let me create one by clicking on this button, create autoresponder. Now the first thing I need to define is the title. So I can give, since this is the first email I'm sending out to my Canada list, I can do something like this: Canada, okay, welcome Canada lead or lead. Okay, so the next thing is to select the list. So I can, let me change the list to Canada travel list. Alright, so the next is to choose the day you want to send this email. I want to send this email immediately the person signs up from my sales page or my opt-in form. So I will leave this as 0 and same time the person sign up. Okay, so you can decide the day you want to send this email. Like for instance, all the days are checked, which simply means that the email will be sent in all the days of the week when the person sign up. So I can decide to send only on weekdays, so I just have to uncheck Saturday and Sunday. Alright, so if I scroll down, the next thing is to define the from email address. So I will use the one I just defined now, the Michael Tunde. That's what I want to use. And the reply to email, I will leave it as this. You can still change it if you want. So I will have to define the subject line of the email. So I have crafted out some emails already. So I just, let me use the first one. Though they are not that professional, but let me use this. So the next one is to create the emails. So we have a predefined template, my template, blank template. For the purpose of this course, I'll be using blank templates. Okay, so the blank template, I want to use the first one here, the one column. So you can see everything here is drag and drop. If you need an image, you just to drag and drop this here. So everything is drag and drop. I don't need image for now. What I need is text. So I just have to drag this and drop here, then copy my text from here. Sorry. Alright, so let me change the font style of this. I want to use Vandana. Okay, it's a very alright. So in case I want to have some links, let's say for instance I want to make this a link, this online business. So just to highlight the online business, the text, then click on the hyperlink here, the insert link. So define the URL, let's say https google.com. google.com. Alright, so insert. Okay, so my email is okay now. Alright, so the next thing is so you can save as a template so that you can be able to reuse this same email format later in the future. So let me do that. I will save it and define the name as I think I have Welcome Canada. So let me just do this. Alright, so next thing is click on the next button, then let's scroll down and save this. So there's two options here. You can save and publish at the same time. To save and publish at the same time simply means the email status will be on. When someone opts in immediately, the person will receive this email. So let me save and publish at the same time. Alright, so because I have some leads here in this list already, it's asking me if I want to send this email to them. So I can choose yes. Do you also want to send to 2 people in the list? Yes. So I have selected yes. Now you can see my list here. My first email is here already. Understand? So I can create more. Let's create one again. Let's go back to create autoresponder. So the second one I will create is this. Another lead. So select the list. So I want to send out this email on the second day after the opt-in. So I want to leave the days as default, change the email from, leave this as the same, then define the subject. I can use another one here, so I have another one here, so I can use this to define the subject. So click on design message, so I can use blank, use templates, the first one. So let me just copy the email body, drag and drop a text box. Okay, paste this. I still want to change the font to Vandana, so highlight, scroll down, I'll change to Vandana. Alright, so you can format this if you have if you want to add list, bullets, you can do all of that right here. So let's say I want to bold this text, I can choose bold, so you can see. So if you still want to create a link, so let's say I want to make this a link, just to highlight it, select email, HTTP, so I can just use the same Google I used before, insert. Alright, so I'm done with this. I can save again. Okay, so scroll down, save and publish, or save. If you don't want to send this email, so I want to send it immediately, so yes, I can decide to do no. So you can see I have 2 emails already. I can still add more by clicking on create autoresponder. So this will be number 3. Canada lead. So select the list. So I want to send this after 2 days the person signs up. I will leave the days as default, then change the from email and scroll down to change the subject line of the email I want to send. So I can use the stored one right here, then click design message. So blank template, I use this. Alright, so I just want to copy the email body from here, so I can minimize this, drag and drop a text, pause, paste. So let me change the font to Vandana. Always try to maintain consistency. So Vandana. So I can make this a link, promote, select this, the link, can still maintain the Google link. Alright, so business, small business, okay. Can still make it a link, maybe use any of my, okay, can use any of my link. Alright, so okay, now I'm ready to publish. Next, scroll down, save and publish. So I always have this thing popping up because I have 2 contacts in my email list already. So I just have to select no, I don't want to send the email to them. As you can see right here, I have 3 autoresponders. The first one will be sent immediately the person opts in from my form. The second email will be sent after a day. The third email will be sent after 2 days. So if you observe here, you can see the email has been delivered to 2 contacts. That's because I have 2 contacts already in this list, and when I was publishing this autoresponder, I selected yes to send to the contacts I have already. So what I will do is to check those contacts and see if we can trace if the email was delivered. So I will click on list, then click on the Canada travel. So these are the emails, the Gideon boss line and this, so I can check this because it's my personal email. So when I come here, okay, this is the Gideon boss line, you can see it here, Gideon boss line. So let's check, it's not here. Let's go to social. Social is not here. Promotions. Okay, promotions is there. You can see the email Mike Tunde. So you can see hello. So the same email body was delivered today. You can see 43 minutes ago. Alright, so that means it's working, right? So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. If you have any question, please do make sure you comment below, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.